So, okay guys, just today we'll discuss some problems on joint venture now. ठीक है? This one we done, right? What नहीं? What are they? Lagittu. Ganesh of Gadagi is also done. Kanpur and Lucknow. We'll solve this now. ಇದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. We have not solved this, right? Okay. Hey everyone, please like ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, share and subscribe ಮಾಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ. Those who are watching up this YouTube, like, share and subscribe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Let's start the class now. ನೋಡಿ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಟಿಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 hour ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಬಚ್ಚೋ, A of Kanpur, ठीक है, A of Kanpur and B of Lucknow enter into what? Joint venture, ठीक है, enter into joint venture, sending cotton bales. What they are sending, बच्चा? Cotton bales for sending and bales to Japan for sale. A send cotton, right? A send what, बच्चों? Cotton value 30,000 cottons they have sent through railway freight. Who is that? A has sent, right? हमें कॉल कर रहे हैं, 1 मिनट कॉल करता हूँ. हेलो, अच्छा कॉल कर दो 1 मिनट. सो बच्चों, केड़े A sent cotton of value 30,000, right? And pays railway freight etc. 1,500, and this much he has spent. Who has spent? A has spent. Correct? Okay, now B send goods value 20,750. B send 20,750, ठीक है, and pays freight insurance 1,200 है. B दे दो खर्च, dock dues 200 है. Now you will be getting a question something like this, or memorandum में क्या बोल दो 200, custom charges 500, other sundry expenses 500 है. A advance, B how much advance he has? 6,000 on account of joint venture. B received the account sale and remitted the net proceeds from Japan for whole of the goods amounting to ₹80,000. Show how the joint venture transaction will be recorded in the books of both the party. Both the party, definitely बच्चों you can expect both the party the question ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So बच्चों ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ, joint venture in the books of, who is the first here? A. Joint venture in the books of A. Start. In the books of A. illandre himbar kodri. In the books of A joint venture account, ठीक है, बिका note on debit and credit side. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ವೈಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಬೋದರ. Okay. Bacho, in the books of A and B, right? So A, how much he has bought? A sent cotton 30,000. Barcode 2. लिखो जी बैंक अकाउंट, ठीक है? How much? How much he has sent? 30,000. ठीक है? Next, barcode goods sent. All right. Next. Next. Pays railway freight 1,500, 1,575 is sundry expenses. Barcode. Look 2. Bank account. Railway freight. How much we have? 1,500. 1,500. And what else you have? Sundry expenses 1,575. Sundry expenses. Add this. Add this now. इस्टा करते 3,735. बरकोड इतना बेग बेगा लिख लो जो डन. चलो next B sent goods valued at 75 to 20,750 to B's account. Goods, how much we have? 20,750 goods, right? $20,750. Next, freight insurance 1,200. Freight insurance how much? 1,200. ठीक है? Dock dues how much? 500. Dock dues 200, charges 500. Dock dues 200. 500. All right, बच्चों. Hi Uday. Thank you for joining. Next, other sundry expenses 500. कितना है? 500. हौदला Kedri. Total B, how much goods he has sent? 20,750. Right? 20,750. Next is we have insurance 200, dock dues 200, custom charges 500, sundry expenses 500. Add this now. Make it fast. कितना? 23,150. 1 second. 23,000. Understood? Chalo. Next is what? That is advance they have paid, right? Now tell me, what is the sales? 80,000. Barcode buy sales and who sell? Who is that seller? B's account. राइट बच्चों? टोटल दिस नाउ, total this 80,000, bring it here, 80,000 minus it 23,000. So out of this, what is the ratio they told? Equally, you take it equally because they have not given any ratio, right? Profit and loss 23,775 का हाफ, ऐसा करते हैं, ऐसा करते हैं. Tell me how much is that? 23,775 divided by 2, 11,875. 11,887. Okay, you can take it 0.5. Similarly, who is that? B, right? Same रहते हैं. 23,775 into 1 by 2, 11,887.5. Now open B's account now. Open B's account बच्चों. क्या है? Big big up. B's account, debit side and this side credit side. Where and all we have B? Suno, here we have B, right? 23,750. 23,000. So debit hai, make a credit by joint venture account. $23,150. Next, we have profit here, correct? Debit hai, make a credit. $11,875, 11,887.5. Next, credit de, make a debit. Joint venture account 80,000. Now, how much advance he has paid? How much advance he has paid? Kedre, how much advance he has paid? How much?
6,000.
A advance to B rupees on account of joint venture. B received account sales. That is what, bacha? 6,000 advance he has paid, right? Bills receivable. 6,000. Total this. Jasti litala. Tagodri. Bring it on the debit side. 80,000, right? Minus 23,150 minus 11,887.5 plus minus 6,000. Is that 38,000? Correct. One second, advance he has paid means bacha that comes not this side. I'm sorry. Advance not bill. एडवांस पे कराने कैश और बैंक अकाउंट 6000 यहाँ तो याद रखो इसे ಹಿಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ total this 86,000 bring it here 86,000 minus it minus 23,150 minus 11,887.5 50,960 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 50,962.5 ठीक है ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ और कैश अकाउंट लिख लो बच्चों करेक्ट हाँ जी लेट्स सॉल्व मेमोरेंडम अकाउंट नाउ लास्ट का आइटम रिवीजन करता हूँ एक दिन पहले बट फोकस ऑन मेमोरेंडम अकाउंट यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट फॉर योर फाइनल एग्जाम बच्चों डन चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is all about memorandum account joint venture memorandum account remember this memorandum account ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ combine करने हैं we are going to make combined under this method each venture opens a one account means ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ one common memorandum account ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ and after that we will going to open the partners capital account type second piece में करते नहीं second piece ले ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ that is how it is now बच्चा here under this method each venture opens a one account in his book in which the transactions are recorded this account is head joint venture with that particular party name particular ಹೆಸರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ best will solve a problem so that you will get an exactly ठीक है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ व्हाट इज दैट बच्चों रामू एंड रतन राइट रामू एंड रतन agree to enter into a joint venture for the purchase and sale of second hand motor car sharing profit and loss what is the profit and loss बच्चों 3:2 ಇದೆ on 1st December 2015 ठीक है 15 Ramu bought 8 cars. How much bought? 8 cars. What is that value? 73,600. And December 5th, he paid tax. Who paid? Ramu paid the tax. When? Date could not relay. Remember, when they give the date means we have to focus on this. So, bacha, pay tax and insurance amount rupees 2,560. On December 31st, he sold this car for 99,500. He sold this car for how much? Who sold? Ramu sold, right? Of which he remitted the 16,500 to Ratan, paying the balance to his own bank account. Now, again, on 20th December, Ratan kaya bhi. Ratan bought how many cars? How many cars? 5 cars, right? What is the value? 62. On 25th December 12, he paid tax. How much tax he has paid? Ratan has paid, right? 2,600 and repair amount in rupees 3,900. He sold 3 cars. He sold 3 cars on Jan 2nd, 2016 for 51,000, which he paid into own account. It was agreed that Ramu should take over the other cars at a valuation of 28,000. Ramu has taken the remaining cars because out of 5 cars, how much he has sold? How much he has sold? 3. What is remaining? 2. Right? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ 5 cars ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಉಳಿದಾವೆ. Who has taken that? Ramu has taken. at a valuation of 28,000 and the venture was closed on 10th Jan 2016. You are required to prepare memorandum joint venture account, joint venture with Ratan and both account. Definitely start बच्चों memorandum. Blessy, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, even I was absent. Did you came?
Yes, sir. I came, sir, and gone back.
Memorandum. Okay, after this I'll solve now. Just hold on. Actually, I planned to start by 3 o'clock, but because of this technical issues, I started late. All right, just hold on. I'll explain that, bacha. Put one more column if possible, date. If not, let it be. This is your memorandum. First, go with the first. Who is the first one, bacho? Who is the first? Ramu. How many cars he has purchased? 8 cars. Bargori. 2. Ramu's account. How much car he has purchased? What is the value? 73,600. 73,600. ठीक है? All right, बच्चों. December 5, he paid tax. Who has paid the tax? Who has paid the tax? Ramu has paid the tax. How much? How much tax he has paid? 2560. This is car purchased. Next, Ramu's account. Tax he has paid, right? Right, tax. What is tax he has paid, bacha? 2560. 2560. Okay, na? Okay. Next. On December 31st, he sold 3 cars. See, how much cars he bought? 8 cars. Correct? On December 31st, he sold 3 cars, 91,000, of which he remitted 16,500 to Ratan. So, bacho, who has sold? Ramu has sold. By Ramu's account, 32. What is the sale value? What is the sale value? Sold 3 cars. This not 3. These cars for 99,200. 99,200. Done. You're watching recorded classes now. You're watching recorded classes. Today I'll teach at profit pattern incorporation. Okay? Now, of which he remitted to, this one he remitted, we'll take it later. बाद में आता है. Paying the balance into his own bank account, no problem. Now, on 20th December, Ratan bought how many cars? 5 cars. Ratan bought how many cars? 5 cars. 2. Ratan, what is that? 5 cars for 62,000. Ratan account 62,000. Okay. All right. Next, on 25th December, he paid tax and insurance amount rupees 2,600. है ना? Who paid that? Ratan. How much? 2,600. And repays how much, bacha? 3,900. tax. Will be here till 6 o'clock, Blessy? Because I'll take 90-minute class. Then give me 10 minutes. After that, I'll have tea. I'll start till 6 o'clock. Okay? Because I want to solve that main part. Main part of your this one. Profit pattern incorporation. 10 marks guaranteed. Bacha, this is insurance tax 2,600. Insurance tax 2,600. And repairs 3,900. Repairs 3,900. ठीक है? चलो, we'll finish this. Total is now 500. Right? 6,500. 5 minutes. Bigger ugly. कल से बराबर 3 बजे आते में बच्चों next what? On Jan 2nd, see, he sold 3 cars for 51,000. Who has sold this? Who has sold this? Hey, Ratana. Ratana count. For how much? 51,000. 51,000. Correct? Next, which he paid in his own bank account. He was agreed that Ramu should take over the other car, that is remaining 3 cars, right, for 28,000. Write down here, by Ramu's account 28,000. लिख लो इसको. Note down guys, fast. ऐसा था question. Total this. Total on the credit side first, बच्चों.
1,78,200.
Yes, 1,78,200. Bring it here. 1,78,200. Minus it. 5 marks guaranteed. $33,540. 540. So this profit, right, distribute to Ramu and Ratan. 33,540. What is the ratio, bachcho? 3:2, right? 3/5, 2/5. इस्ता करते हैं. How much is that? Bigger heading. Guys, make it fast. $33,540 divided by 5 into 3. 20,124 minus 33,540. 13,416. Chalo guys, I'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow one day I'll take and we'll finish this now. Hi Vinay. Tomorrow joint venture mugise, we'll finish this one. What is that? Cell balancing also. Okay now. We know